The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Nissan Rogue. We've previously installed the Yakima based roof rack system. If you'd like to see a video of just that, we'll link to it in the description below. But for this video, we'll just take a quick look at this basket on this vehicle and roof rack system. So this is the OffGrid medium. There's also a large size available, but this is the medium size without the extension, which is an available accessory. But this has a stainless steel band with rubber coating that secures it to the crossbar. Those can actually be removed, and you can pick up the optional T-slot kit if you want to mount into the crossbars of T-slots. Locks are not included, but are recommended. A 4-pack can lock all 4 connections. We typically will go with 2, kind of do caddy corner and secure it that way. Front wind fairings included. Also included are 2 removable / adjustable crossbars. So a really great versatile basket. But for more details and all specifications, click on the links in the description below, which will take you back to our website. This is just a quick look on this vehicle. So that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.